Your family is your security blanket. I mean, it's what keeps you grounded. It's your support system. And ever since I've been married and ever since I've, had children, it's a very warm, comforting, and supporting feeling to have. Music runs in the family naturally to the girls. Amy, Mary Montague, and Addie are good singers, and to Landon and me, it's more a learned mathematical skill. The way we got into it about 3 years ago, my son Landon got Guitar Hero for Christmas, and we were spending an hour a day playing Guitar Hero, and I said, this is ridiculous. If I spend an hour a day, I could actually learn how to play the guitar. Well, I take bass from the same guitar teacher he takes guitar from. The way they do it at our music school is we have sort of ad hoc bands for each song. So they'll put together a group, and we have our recitals at either bars or outdoors, and everybody comes, and it's a big time. When I see other people going through difficult times and having problems, I feel like I can help them because I know how important having that support system is. It's just a blessing and a privilege to have the opportunity to become a part of people's lives and help them through often the most traumatic situation they've ever been through.